Good afternoon po family. Araw-araw piyesta po Quezon City Drug Treatment and Rehabilitation Center. Nagluto po tayo ng tanghalian nila ng pritong galunggong po at gulay na bulanglang. Siyempre, only rice para busog-lusog ang family. Maraming salamat po.